Plant FAQs, Maranta Leuconeura Kerchoveana. As an avid plant enthusiast, I've always been drawn to the unique and captivating foliage of Maranta Leuconeura Kerchoveana. This stunning plant, commonly known as the prayer plant, has become a staple in many households due to its vibrant colors and intriguing patterns. See more 51 species in genus Maranta at monsteraholic.com. Understanding Maranta Leuconeura Kerchoveana. Before delving into the specifics of caring for this beautiful plant, it's essential to understand its characteristics. Maranta Leuconeura Kerchoveana is a member of the Marantaceae family and is native to the Brazilian rainforest. It is renowned for its striking foliage, featuring dark green leaves adorned with feather-like patterns of silver, cream, and red veins. The leaves of the prayer plant exhibit a unique behavior, folding upwards at night, resembling hands clasped in prayer, hence its name. Do Maranta Leuconeura Kerchoveana lose their color during the winter? One of the most common questions I encounter regarding Maranta Leuconeura Kerchoveana is whether it loses its color during the winter months. Fortunately, this plant is relatively resilient and can maintain its vibrant hues throughout the year, provided it receives adequate care. How to care for Maranta Leuconeura Kerchoveana. Proper care is essential for ensuring the health and vibrancy of Maranta Leuconeura Kerchoveana. Here are some tips to help you keep your prayer plant thriving. Light. Maranta Leuconeura Kerchoveana prefers bright, indirect light. Avoid placing it in direct sunlight, as this can scorch its delicate leaves. Watering. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Water the plant when the top inch of soil feels dry, and ensure proper drainage to prevent root rot. Humidity. Prayer plants thrive in humid environments. Mist the leaves regularly or place the plant on a tray filled with pebbles and water to increase humidity levels. Temperature. Maintain temperatures between 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 24 degrees Celsius. Avoid exposing the plant to drafts or extreme temperature fluctuations. Fertilization. Feed Maranta Leuconeura Kerchoveana with a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength during the growing season, spring and summer. How to propagate Maranta Leuconeura Kerchoveana. Propagating Maranta Leuconeura Kerchoveana is relatively straightforward and can be done through division or stem cuttings. Division. Carefully remove the plant from its pod and separate the rhizomes, ensuring each division has roots attached. Repot the divisions into individual containers and water thoroughly. Stem cuttings. Take stem cuttings from healthy, mature plants, ensuring each cutting has at least 2 nodes. Plant the cuttings in a well-draining potting mix and keep them moist until roots develop. What to plant with Maranta Leuconeura Kerchoveana. Enhance the beauty of your Maranta Leuconeura Kerchoveana by pairing it with complementary plants that share similar care requirements. Consider incorporating the following plants into your indoor garden. Calathea. Like Maranta Leuconeura Kerchoveana, Calathea species thrive in low to medium light conditions and require high humidity. Peperomia. These compact plants feature attractive foliage patterns and are well suited for growing alongside prayer plants in terrariums or small spaces. Ferns. Add a touch of lushness to your indoor garden by pairing Maranta Leuconeura Kerchoveana with various fern species, such as maidenhair or Boston ferns. By following these care tips and pairing Maranta Leuconeura Kerchoveana with compatible plants, you can create a stunning and thriving indoor garden that will be the envy of all who behold it. In conclusion, Maranta Leuconeura Kerchoveana is a captivating plant that adds a touch of elegance and vibrancy to any indoor space. With proper care and attention, you can enjoy its stunning foliage year-round, making it a cherished addition to your plant collection. So why not bring home a prayer plant today and experience the joy of nurturing this exquisite botanical specimen?